Have you ever pondered over the essence of purifying your body? What does it truly mean? It's about achieving a state of equilibrium where there are no disturbances, no blockages, and no complexes within your system. A pure body is a harmonious body, free from any form of impediment. But how do these blockages and complexes make their way into our bodies? These unwanted elements can sneak into our bodies through various channels. Stress and anxiety, for instance, can cause emotional blockages leading to physical ailments. Consuming unhealthy food and leading a sedentary lifestyle can create physical blockages in the form of toxins. These blockages and complexes don't just appear overnight, they accumulate over time, causing a variety of health issues. But the good news is, they can be removed. Our bodies are naturally equipped to cleanse and heal themselves given the right conditions. The first step towards purifying our bodies is nourishment. By nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods, we can help expedite the process of detoxification. This can be done by incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into our diets, and avoiding processed foods as much as possible. Furthermore, it's essential to free our bodies of repressions. This can be achieved by allowing our body's energy to flow freely. Yoga, meditation, and other forms of physical exercise can assist in removing these blockages, promoting a sense of well-being and balance. To summarize, purifying the body is about more than just eating healthy and exercising. It's about removing all forms of blockages and complexes from our system. This can be achieved through nourishment, physical activity, and mindfulness practices. The journey to a purified body is a journey towards a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. Remember, a purified body is not just a destination, but a continuous journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that contribute to our overall well-being. So, as we go about our daily lives, let's strive to nourish our bodies, free ourselves of repressions, and allow our energy to flow freely. Because a pure body is the foundation of a pure life.